In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix filter video call not working on Facebook Messenger app. If your video call filter aren't working on Facebook Messenger app, you could try these steps. First thing first, you could update the Messenger app to the latest version. For that, head over to your respective app store. On the search box, type in Messenger and locate whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely up to date, then you could also check for your internet connection. So exit out of this page, go to settings, open up network and internet. Here you could find out whether you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. So what you could actually do is you could try disabling it at the first step, and after which you could also enable flight mode. So for that, you want to swipe down and go to the flight mode option or the aeroplane mode and turn it on for about 20 seconds. After which you disable it, and here as well go ahead and connect to the internet service. This should be able to fix the issue all at once. However, if that's not the case, you could also try clearing your cache and restarting the app. For that, you want to exit out of this page once again. Click on the messenger icon, go to this I button and go to permissions, and then go to storage and cache. Right on this page, you want to go ahead and make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data permanently. Only if you're sure about it, then tap the OK button, or else just leave it as it is. After which you want to exit out of this and make sure to close the application completely from the background, and then restart your device. That should be able to fix the issue as well. If not, you could also go ahead and make sure to check your device's compatibility. So some old devices might not support all filter features. That's the way you could fix a filter video call not working on Facebook Messenger app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.